Hello guys, welcome to this new session. So some of course commercial professional who worked in the interior fit out project, especially in the Middle East, UAE or Saudi or Qatar. So they imagine there's two specific works are available, the carpentry work and joinery work. They imagine these two works are the same something, but actually the real time there's a huge difference available between these two works. So in this session we are going to discuss some important technical ideas regarding these two different works. So this knowledge will help to you to the tendering time and also some quantity take of practice time. Okay, so let's discuss here. We are going to discuss this major difference into four ways. The first one is the nature of work for the carpentry and joinery, and also the location of execution for these two the carpentry and joinery works, and of level of detailing. The fourth one is the measurement and BOQ approach for the carpentry and joinery works. So first off, nature of work. Under this heading we can understand, you can see the carpentry work mean it is a structural or it's a rough woodwork. Okay, it's done on site. So this is the very important technical idea. So most of the carpentry work it's happen in on site. Okay, so we can say some example for this carpentry work. You can see the framing, partitioning work, and also subflooring, ceiling work, something like this. So I will share some picture here. You can see there's a roof frame. So this is the real carpentry work, and also you can see here this is also one of the building, the building, the frame structure for in the wood. Okay, so this is the real time carpentry work. And also you can see there's the flooring for the buildings. So this is also we can say the carpentry, and you can see there's a ceiling work also we can consider as a carpentry work. Right, so these are the best example for the carpentry work. And you can see the second point, joinery work. Alright guys, so this is very quick update. So we recently launched our interior fit out quantity saving practice. So just visit our official website managingqs.com and explore more regarding the course content and other things. So the joinery works mean it is a detailed and precision woodwork, usually for the prefabricated off-site. So that is the another very important key point. So the carpentry work it is done in on-site, but the joinery works, most of the joinery work it's happen in off-site. The off-site mean we can say the warehouses or any other factories. So we can consider like this. And also you can see the examples, cabinets, wardrobes, and wall cladding, decorative panels. So these are the very detailed and precision woodwork. So I will show some of example here. You can see there's the kitchen wall cabinet here, so and also the wardrobe. So these are the best example, and also we can say some sofas and some loose furnitures. So these are the best example for the joinery work. So this is the major difference for the joinery and carpentry work under the nature of work concept. Right, so the second point is the location of the execution. So we know very well the carpentry work it's happen in on-site, okay, site-based, and also the joinery works it's always happen in the workshop-based, or we can say some warehouse-based or the factory-based like this, and the transport to the site for the installation. So they already built from the workshop, then this item transported to the site for the installation. So this is the second easy understanding for this joinery and carpentry work for the execution. The third one is you can see the level of detailing. So the carpentry is more structural and more tough in nature. So we can say it is not for high level detailing. So it's a high level structural work. And also the joinery is more decorative and finished work. So that's why we have to keep the high level detailing and precisions. Okay, so this is another very important concept. The fourth one is measurement and BOQ approach. We can say the carpentry work we can calculate by a linear meter, square meter, or number, something like this. And especially in the joinery work, In the BOQ, if you are seeing in your project interior fit out BOQ also, they mention like this item wise. They put the lump sum price for this particular joinery works, and also type wise and also size wise. So for example, size wise mean we can say there is a sofa is here. So length is 2 meter. And is the width is 1 meter something. There's a sofa. They put like this in the description, and they make in the BOQ unit as the item. They put the lump sum price. So there's no more any detailed breakdown. Okay. So this is a basic concept of this joinery and carpentry work. So from this session, you have to very clearly understand this joinery and the carpentry works is entirely totally different. So as the interior fit out quantity surveyor, we have to very thoroughly understand these things. Alright guys, so just visit our official website managingqs.com, and you can explore our latest new courses. The first one is the EOT and claims management. The second one is the interior fit out quantity surveying practice. The third one is the MEP quantity surveying practice. So just visit our official website, explore more regarding the courses.